Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate Google Meets into your Google Classroom. Why this is great is because now we can have a meeting link for each classroom, and we no longer have to worry about students being able to enter that link and get into a Google Meets when we are not there. So it takes care of two of our biggest issues that we were having, which was one, we used to have to generate calendars, links, and all of that. And it was hard because we'd have to make one for each time. We no longer have to do that. You will now have the same link for each classroom. And two, it takes care of that idea of students being able to go back into a meet when you are not there. Now we don't need to worry about it. It's all taken care of for us. So to do that, we go into the classroom. You have to do this for each classroom. This is very important. For each of your classes, you're going to have to do the same thing. Go up to the little widget on the top, scroll down to where it says Meets, and hit Generate Meet Link. Generate that link. You want it to be visible to all students. If for some reason you don't want it to be visible to students, turn it off. But most of the time, you're going to want it visible to students. Now, what is also good is you have the ability to copy this link. This link, you'd copy that link if you want to give it to somebody outside of the classroom. So you have another teacher you want to have come in or a guest speaker, you can just come back here, hit copy, and you can save it for them. You can also use it if you want to give it to the kids in an assignment. But if you hit save here, it now makes it so that link is visible. You see right here, it's visible in your stream here. And it's also visible in the classwork area. So that's really nice. Now, if for some reason you wanted to create an assignment or anything like that where you wanted to show them the link, all you would have to do is hit the add. You would copy that link that you already had. You hit add link, and then it would show up here for the students. And you can copy the link for them and assign it to them. Now, what is so great about this is we no longer have to use that calendar feature. It's going to make life so much easier because we no have to longer go into the calendar, invite all the kids in. It's right here for you. This is the same link you will use every time with these kids. So if you're saying, class, I want to meet you, we're going to do a Google Meets at 10 a.m., this is where they will go. They will go into their classroom. They will get that link either from here or from their classwork page. They can no longer get into the meet if you were not there. And if you are the last one to leave the meeting, then they can no longer get back in. So that takes care of that issue too. If you have any questions, if you are struggling with this, let me know. I'm here to help you. Send me an email. Let me know and I will help you with that. But know I am here to help you. You have to do this for every classroom. That is the one thing that is important. For every classroom, you are going to have to go here to there and hit the general thing and go in to set it up so that each classroom now has their own meet. I hope you guys are had a good break, and will talk to you guys all soon.